Good evening, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the core principles and components of the Ecuadorian EFL curriculum. These principles guide how English should be taught and learned in our country. So now we're gonna go through each one step by step. The first one will be the communicative language approach. This first principle is the communicative language approach. This means that the language should be used and learned mainly for interaction and communication, not just to memorize grammar or vocabulary. The goal of this is to help the students overcome their communication problems and disconnection of the grammar when it's being learned and the uses when it's being spoken or heard. So instead of being focused on rules, this approach will emphasize practicing language through meaningful activities such as role plays, discussions, and problem solving tasks. The second one will be content, content and language integrated learning, which is CLIL or CLIL or well those. The second principle is CLIL, CLIL, which stands for Content and Language Integrated Learning. This approach combines learning English with other school subjects such as science and history, or any other. It could be math, it could be geography, it could be whatever. As long as you are learning English through it. The idea of this is that the students learn both the content of the subject, such as math, and the language needed to talk about it. CLIL or CLIL is fundamental when developing critical thinking, communication, culture, and mainly cognition. These are known as the 4Cs framework. And in Ecuadorian curriculum, CLIL is connected to its main threads, which are communication and cultural awareness, language through the arts, and reading, writing, and oral communication. This all works together in CLIL. The third one will be thinking skills. This third component is about analyzing language by learning it. It isn't just memorizing, it's about using your thoughts, your mind, your critical thinking to understand and connect subjects, words, sentence, sounds, all of that. Uh, this develops creative thinking as well and helps students to interpret what they are reading or listening. The last one will be the learner-centered approach. This one means that the students are the center of the learning progress. This is the main approach that we have today in Ecuador. This means that the teachers are not just the transmitters of information. So in this case, they act as the guides and facilitators of knowledge. Every learning is different. Every learning experience is unique. So, with their ability, with their motivations, we can not always connect. If we are doing a class with 30 students, 40 students, we cannot connect to them in a personal level. So they will be the center of it. The activities we will be explaining and completing will be focused on them. So to sum it up, the Ecuadorian EFL is built on these main components or ideas that are using English to communicate, not just to memorize, to connect language with content and thinking, to encourage critical thinking, and to always keep the learner as the main focus. So, thank you.